Hello and welcome to LIB channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view desktop items and how to arrange them and different things regarding to this desktop screen and files and folders you're seeing here. So the first thing we do is we go and right click. We right click our mouse and then we go on view. Right now you're seeing these icons which are shown very small. So if you want to show them a little bit bigger than how they look right now, so we right click, go on view and click on medium icons. As you can see, these icons are shown now a little bit bigger. But if you want to show them the biggest, so what we do is we go on view and click on large icons. When we click on large icons, we can even see what's inside each folder. For example, we can see that this folder has got some photos, this one has got some photos, this one has photos and different things. Like we can see actually what's inside a folder. So that's very helpful if you want to see what we have in a screen, a desktop screen, or inside a folder. So that's it. So the next thing we do is we put them back on medium icons. Medium icons is because if we have too many folders, too many files, then we put them on small icons so we can fit all the folders and files here. But if we have one or two, we can put them on large icons too, so we can see exactly what is inside them. So the next thing is we click on view is we have auto arrange icons. So what it does is if it's right now clicked, so if it's checked, we cannot we cannot disorganize the files here. So as you can see, I'm trying to pull this when I put it here, but I can't because that option is checked. But if we uncheck this, now I can put it here, I can put this one here, I can put it here. You can see our files and folders looks disorganized. So if we go back on view and click auto arrange icons, then the icons will be arranged back. So next thing we click on view is we have align icons to grade, and this aligns the icons to the grade. So as you can see, they're pretty much organized and they have almost the same size, and it's organized according to the grades, according to a line. So it's just pretty much set up in our desktop. So if we uncheck it, then it's going to look, one looks a little bit smaller, bigger. But if we just go back and align icons to grade, then it's going to look pretty much more organized. The next thing we have is show desktop icons. If you don't want to see these icons on desktop, just click on it and you won't see it. Once you go back and check this, you're going to see the desktop icon. So this is just to hide and unhide icons and files you have on desktop. So click back and you'll see everything. The next thing we have is sort by. By name, we can sort the files and folders we have here by name. It starts from A and goes all the way to Z. So if we go back to sort by name, then it's going to go descending. It starts from N, from S, from Z, and goes all the way to A. But we go back to sort by and click size. This time it's arranged by size. So we have the smallest, and it goes all the way to the biggest size of the file or folder we have. Then we go back to sort by, and this time item type, it sorts different types of files we have. If we have, for example, JPEG files, then it puts all the JPEG files together and other files together. So as you can see, it puts different files together. We have two text document, it puts them together, and it arranges files according to types they have. So if we have same types of files, it puts all of them together. So that's what it does. The next thing we have is date modified. It sorts the files in folders according to a date they're modified, they're edited, they have been used. So the last file that we used was, for example, this one. It put that all the way on the top. But if we go back and click this again, so yeah, one thing to note is every time you click on one of these, it has two options. One option is, for example, sort by name. It sorts the files and folders by name ascendingly. But if you click this again and sort by name, then it's gonna sort the files and folders, descendingly, means from Z to A. So that's what it does. And finally, we have refresh. Is if we have brought recent changes and we want to see the changes here, so we click on refresh to keep a desktop screen fresh and refreshed. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button for more videos.